Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone runs a supported iOS, and the vehicle supports Apple CarPlay. Plug in a certified Lightning or USB-C cable to the car USB port labeled CarPlay, or enable Bluetooth pairing if wireless is supported. Once done, unlock your iPhone and allow it to trust the vehicle when prompted. You do this because CarPlay needs active data and permission to mirror apps. Making these steps first avoids connection loops later. Next, pair and configure. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay, and select your vehicle from the list. If pairing via Bluetooth, choose the car in Bluetooth settings and confirm the PIN shown. If wired, tap the car name when it appears. You should accept location and notification permissions so navigation and messages work seamlessly. Then customize the CarPlay home screen order to prioritize your frequently used apps. This reduces distraction while driving. To finish, test core apps. Start navigation, make a call, and play audio to confirm audio routing and controls work. If CarPlay fails to appear, disconnect, reboot your iPhone, and restart the car's infotainment system. Make sure the cable is not frayed and is a data cable, not charge only. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone and repair. You do this because transient software states or hardware faults usually block CarPlay. Updating iOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.